When you think about evaluating an LLM, the helpful way to see it is this. Automated metrics give you quick signals, while humans bring the depth. It's like checking a car. A machine can scan the engine in seconds, but only a driver can sense if the ride still feels wrong. A strong interview answer sounds like this. We evaluate LLM quality using automated metrics for scale and human review for nuance. That answer works because it shows you understand both speed and meaning. If someone asks which one matters more, you can say it depends on the task. For creative or safety-heavy work, human judgment matters most. For bulk testing, automation keeps everything efficient. Don't worry if this feels new right now. It becomes clearer once you see how differently models behave across real prompts. A useful way to understand evaluation metrics is to see what each one actually captures. BLEU focuses on precision, checking how closely a model matches reference phrasing. It's like seeing how accurately someone repeats a script. ROUGE focuses on recall, checking how much important content is kept. That's more like reviewing if someone retold the main ideas of a story. BERTScore goes deeper by comparing meaning through embeddings, so it notices when different words still express the same idea. Humans add the final layer, judging fluency, coherence, and factual strength. In an interview, you could say, automated metrics reveal patterns quickly, and humans catch the deeper meaning. That line works because it shows you understand what each method does well. And if someone asks why BLEU struggles with creative writing, you can simply say overlap alone can't capture imaginative expression. This becomes intuitive with practice. A clean way to picture the evaluation pipeline is as a simple flow. You start by generating outputs from a broad set of prompts. Then you filter and sample them so you cover familiar cases and tricky edge cases. Automated metrics run next, giving rapid signals across thousands of responses. Humans then step in to review the examples that need careful judgment. The final step is using all these insights to refine the model. A strong interview line is that automation gives coverage and humans give clarity. It's similar to photography. Automated metrics act like a wide-angle scan, while human review is the zoom lens that brings the important details into focus. If you're asked how you'd prioritize under time pressure, you can say you'd let automation surface patterns, then direct human effort to the most uncertain or high-impact samples. This rhythm feels natural with experience. Follow-up questions often explore how well you understand the trade-offs. You choose BLEU when precision matters, like translation. You choose ROUGE when recall matters, like summarization. BERTScore is best when meaning matters more than exact phrasing, especially in paraphrasing. Automated and human methods work together because automation is fast, while humans bring judgment, safety awareness, and context. Humans look at fluency, coherence, factual grounding, and alignment with intent. At scale, the best approach is to let automated metrics filter everything, then have humans focus on samples that shape quality the most. If an interviewer asks how you diagnose repeated mistakes, you can say automated metrics reveal patterns, and human review reveals why they happen. And if this feels like a lot, don't worry. These choices become easy once you connect them to real tasks. A practical evaluation strategy starts by defining what quality means for your task. Then you set baseline scores from existing systems so you know what good looks like. After that, you choose the metrics that match those goals and run automated tests to scan large volumes quickly. Next, you select key samples for human review, especially the edge cases that reveal deeper issues. The final step is using those insights to refine the model and repeat the cycle. In an interview, you can describe this as a steady loop of measuring, reviewing, and improving. It's similar to building a product. You combine performance data with real user feedback to shape each new version. If they ask why no single metric is enough, you can explain that language has layers, and each method catches only one piece. With practice, this process becomes one of the most natural and rewarding parts of working with LLMs. Great job learning today. If this helped you feel clearer or more confident for your AI or ML interviews, tap like so more learners can find you. If you want simple guidance for every interview topic, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson. You can share your questions in the comments. I read them, and they help me choose what to teach next. And if you know someone preparing for interviews, feel free to share this with them. Keep going. You're improving with every step. I'm here to help you grow.